Software engineering, the magical art turning caffeine into bugs, deadlines into chaos. But how does this madness actually work? Let's break down the entire software engineering universe in 100 seconds. It starts with a problem. Someone wants tacos faster. A CEO thinks just add AI will save the quarter. Enter me, part detective, part architect, part firefighter. Step 1. Requirements. I figure out what users say they want versus what they actually need. It's sticky notes, trade-offs, the word maybe. Step 2. Design. Fancy boxes, arrows, diagrams nobody reads until everything breaks. Step 3. Development. I write code, Google errors, pretend I totally meant to do that. Yes, I copy from Stack Overflow. Don't lie, you do too. Next. Testing. It worked on my machine is not a feature. If it fails, welcome to debugging. The 3 a.m. hunt for a missing semicolon that somehow crashed the cloud. Deployment time. I launched to production. Something important breaks. And now I'm famous in Slack. Maintenance is the loop patch. Update. Regret. Repeat. Underneath it all are the building blocks. Front end. The shiny stuff you tap. Back end. The messy logic you never see. Databases. The memory. APIs. The translators. Cloud where servers live. Until the bill arrives. HTML. Java. C++. AWS. Alphabet soup with receipts. And that software engineering art. Logic. Mild panic powering your favorite apps. From hello world to cloud chaos, I keep the lights on. Barely. Like, subscribe. Get smarter. One bug at a time.